That tastes like Grandma made it.
Yeah.
That's got Grandma written all over it. You gotta have a good utensil.
Holy.
When you're taking on any new food that consists of ice cream.
Bro, the amount of bees is crazy.
We've got Grandma Dorreen's dessert dog. And then we've got our little ruler right there. So when it's ready.
Oh.
That's it. Look at that
Hello.
pour. Look at that.
Look at that. Made with love. I'm just afraid of the bees right now.
Bees
There's so
are
many bees.
just out of control.
Do they?
The U of M has a bee farm right.
The U of M has a bee farm right
There's
next
a bee farm right over on the other side.
My goodness. Thanks, U of M.
Just casually hanging out next to a bee farm. Are we
Grandma Dorreen's
dessert dog at the
recipe-
West End Creamery.
Recipe from Elgin, Minnesota.
Okay.
And I mean, we're just
So
going
an
to see
heirloom grade family recipe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're just gonna dig right in.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll. A little bit of whipped cream.
Okay, this is tougher than I thought.
Oh, it's wow. Okay.
You got the bite in that, baby.
I mean, this thing's built like a spare rib. There you go.
Whoa. Okay.
What do we have? What is that? Nougat?
Whoa.
What just happened?
It's bendable. It's chewy.
Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing.
Yeah. It's like a graham cracker, but thicker. This is interesting. It's like a dense cake. What are you picking up?
Yeah, it's a little crumbly. It's got some pull to it. It's good. And then that rhubarb drizzled on top.
The rhubarb drizzle is really good. All right,
Wow, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna take this
Take the bite.
I'm gonna dig right in. All glorious bite. Cheers to your health.
There's a lot of gooiness to it. I like that. I appreciate that.
That tastes like Grandma made it.
Yeah.
That's got Grandma written all over it.
Like if the gas ran out in like the Iron Range of Minnesota, I would expect
And you had to like hike a couple of miles to the nearest.
I would expect this would be out in the middle of nowhere.
You're using the landline at Grandma
Yeah.
Dorreen's house, and she's making you one of these.
Yeah, you run out of gas in Chisholm, Minnesota.
Right.
You just see Grandma Dorreen's right
They're
there.
handing these things out like hotcakes.
She's like, I can't help you with AAA, but I can get you.
a dessert dog.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can do that. I'm gonna take a bite on the other end. of it,
Okay, go for it.
So you can preserve the sanctity.
There you go.
Okay, now we're getting somewhere familiar. I'm gonna
Do it again.
All right, there you go.
It's almost like a focaccia-like cake.
It is. It reminds me of the ice cream sandwiches you would get at Dairy Queen, but
Yes.
taken with
That is
more
it.
care. This is relative to Greater Tater.
It's a blonde version of a classic ice cream sandwich.
It's like fine dining at Dairy Queen.
It's a fine dine. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the DQ Lounge.
You would get this at Meritage in downtown St. Paul,
Right.
and they would charge you $45. It is good.
It is. Yeah.
What I saw in
It's a
John
signature
Madden,
item.
whenever I like, I went, "Hey, yeah, you know, it's really good.
Yeah. All right, fanny packs. I'm gonna go solid 8 fanny packs.
Yeah, I mean it's not amazing. It's not like tripping me out like Greater Tater, but it's also there's nothing bad about
There's
it.
nothing bad about
it
this
missed
at all.
nothing.
You're gonna love this.
Yeah,
You
it
get
hit
one
all
of
the
these.
spots.
Grandma Dorreen's dessert dog, 8 fanny packs.
Yeah.
It's worth it.
Hey.
Every bite. I'm going in one more time.
I'm going to Grandma Dorreen's.
Grandma's home.
Oh yeah.